Hello you all, welcome to the Crypto SA channel. My name is Jose and I'm here to talk to you about Bitcoin. That's done something that we kind of predicted and we told you that. And what is that? We're within these two bullish reversal patterns, the descending channel and the descending broadening wedge, and now we're trying to break through the upper resistance line of the descending broadening wedge after having retested successfully rejection of the of breaking down back into that channel, and we got support into the channel's upper resistance line as well, and got a pump, which was likely. And now I think our next reasonable resistance to watch is going to be the resistance of this white line, this long-term trend line at $69,000 range. It could be anywhere around here, right? $69,000, $70,000. Okay, that being said, let's go to our horizontal rectangles, blocks and lines. So what happens here is that we've rejected the breaking down towards the bearish midterm trend. So now we rejected the bearishness on the midterm, and I told you if that happened we would come towards the bullish resistance region on the daily around now the $66.4 thousand range. And here the same here for the monthly bullish region starts here on the 64.6 and above the $67,000. We're gonna be bullish on the monthly as well. I do think we might come here to try to retest this region as well, right? And let's see how successful we can be in this sense, right? Because now we're not yet bullish on the daily nor the weekly. The weekly bullish line is way above here, the $76.3 thousand. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hourly, but I'm going to leave the bullish levels for the daily and weekly there just in case. And of course we're now bullish on the 4 hourly as long as we're above the $65,000 range. And let's see if this is going to happen. We have a W pattern here that if we break through this W pattern here, we might reach, let's put it in here, let's say, and we might reach at least, let's say we're around, let's put this resistance line towards like this region. We'd go toward the $71,000 if we break through this at least. Okay, and let's see Fib-wise. If we go to the Fibonacci levels, how we can expect Bitcoin to behave. Okay, I'll do that on daily, it's easier. So we have now this top, this bottom, and this top. This is reasonable. And if we break through now these resistances, what's the next resistance line is going to be, I'd say, our main resistances. This is the next, and I'm gonna put this one green, and we have a next one here, which is the golden pocket. So I'd say these are the two main resistances for this break. So 68.6, then $73,000. And if we use the main fib, which I think is the one that we might strive to break, which is this one, what's happening? We now broke through the main resistance region here, that is this golden pocket. That's important. So we have broken through the golden pocket zone, and let's see what might happen as well. It's a break. You see that this happened sometimes, once, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and it always bounced above the monthly resistance region and broke back down. Okay, so there are like resistances to take care of. This is the main resistance, the first one, and the second is going to be here. Okay, then we see what else you could do, you know. So these two, 67 and 70, are the macro resistances. But before, we need to break through the $66.4 thousand range, and then we're gonna have these resistances above. If we break the 66.4, which I think we might, but let's see. We have 67, 68.6, 70, 73, and $76,000. Okay, and of course we have these, I think, are the first ones to watch, right? And there's nothing much to see despite this. Let's see how the indices are. We have the Dow almost heading into what I think which is going to be one of the main resistances, 43.4 thousand points, right? And the next one is going to be what? Nasdaq. Where is Nasdaq heading to? Nasdaq is heading, it's now facing the resistance of the daily bullish level, but we still have the 883 here, the 20.7 thousand points, to see what's going to happen to Nasdaq. And what about the S&P? S&P is breaking above the upper limit and might be facing what? The resistance of the 883. No, not yet. So 5,932 points for S&P as the next resistance region. And we also have until the 6,000 points. We could still head towards the 6,000 points. And what about the DXY? DXY is still heading up. We have this resistance line here to watch because it's the lower support here that we've been following ever since the beginning of the uptrend. So we might have some resistance around this region here, the upper region here of the, or this maybe this lower region here. Let's see, around D. Yeah, I think this could be resistance 103.9, but it seems strong. And let's see how much the supports and resistances and the DXY are going to influence how Bitcoin is going to behave. But as I told you, we have the lines here important in this sense, because we have what? This matching area as resistance. So I do think we will have to be very careful when Bitcoin hits this region here. So this is going to be a region to watch, of course, after the daily. So we have this region because it has the white line, and of course this upper region as well. But I'd say yeah, if I were you, this would be the area that I would watch carefully in order to sell my entries and watch and see how the consolidation is going to take place. Okay, so I think it's all for now. I hope this video was instructive for all you guys, and we've been calling for this uptrend for some time already. And yeah, I hope you watch the next ones, and I hope to see you soon on the Crypto SA channel. Please like and subscribe, and send this out to people that you think might like. Bye.